Toddler Learning Time TV.
Let's start play and clean up together.
Tip the basket, toys go yay. Plush and blocks all roll away. Crayons scribble big and bright. Paper colors left and right. Blocks go tumbling, towers small. Clap one time and watch it fall. Look around at all this mess. Time to clean and do our best. Blocks to bin, 1, 2, 3. Clean up time is fun for me. Hug the teddy, in you go. Plushies land soft, nice and slow. Reach for crayons under bed. Into the cup, tidy instead. Stack the papers nice and neat. Onto the shelf, cleaning beat. Car on shelf, bunny in bin. Everything back where it has been. Shake the blanket, smooth it tight. On the bed it looks just right. Pair the shoes and slide them through. Under the shelf in a tidy too. Tap the drum, then on the rack. Music done and drum is back. Close the book.